Hi, welcome back. So today we are going to start our grammar series, and the first tense is present tense. When the subject is the doer of the action, the verb is said to be in the active voice. So this is active voice, that's what we are going to study first. And before going further, I would like to tell you in English conversation, we use three things normally, such as subject, verb, and object. What is subject? Subject is doer of the action, means man of the action who acts. And then verb. Verb is action word. And then at the end, object comes. What is an object? Object is who receives the action. Okay, so in English, when we have to make a sentence or we have to speak, so we speak in a way, first we say subject, then verb, and after object. So first tense, such as I told you that we are going to study, is present tense. And in present tense, there are four subcategories. First one is present indefinite. We also say this to simple present. So there are two terms that is used for this, simple present and present indefinite. So what is the definition of this? The simple present tense is used for things that happen regularly. You will use this tense for those things which are happening regularly, such as I usually get up at 6 o'clock because it is daily routine habit. So you will use present indefinite. Number two, it is used for things that are always true, reality, universal truth, like the sun rises in the east. And number three, the present tense is used for things that stay the same for a long time. Okay, so like my uncle works in bank, it's mean that he has been working over there for long. So this is that present indefinite use in these three terms when you are writing something or if you have to say something. So if your conversation or your writing fulfill this requirement of simple present definitions, so you will use these sentences. So one note that you have to take care of this too. It is also used to talk about the future based on official timetables. If you have to talk about future based official timetables, then you will use present indefinite either. Like the match starts at 8:30. Okay. The plane arrives at 10:30. So these are the example of future based on official timetables. Now we come to the structure. With I, we, you, and they, the base form of the verb is used. Okay. And with he, she, it, we add s or es with the main verb. And one thing that you need to focus over here, that with the verbs which end with ch, sh, s, x, z, and with o with consonant sounds, you will add es at their end, and y with consonant sound ies. Okay, it's mean, for example, if a word, uh I give you an example like play, play. So play, here you will not say plays, plaies, because before y a vowel comes. So that's why you will just add for plural plays. Okay, so it would be plays. But when a word that ends with y, but before this there is a consonant sound, then you will add ies, like fly, fly, fly. flies, Flies. Okay, so this is the example. So if you want to make sentence regarding affirmative, negative, or interrogative. Affirmative means positive sentences like I work in bank, we work in bank, he works in bank, she works in bank, it works in bank. Such as you have noticed that I did as with he, she, and it with main verb. And for negative, with I, we, you, they, and plural noun, you use do not and then work. Like I do not work, we do not work, you do not work, they do not work, they do not work. And with he, she, it, and singular noun, you will use helping verb does not, and you will not add s or es with main verb. Like he does not work, she does not work, it does not work, etc. And for interrogative, like do or does come before at the start of sentence. With I, we, you, they, you will use do for interrogative. Like do I work, do we work, do you work, do they work. And with does he work, does she work, does it work. And you have to mark the question mark at the end of the sentence. So I hope you get it. If you have any question, so please ask me in comment. I will definitely give you answer. So this is it for now. Take care. Bye bye.